Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC. P0123 signifies a throttle position sensor switch A circuit high input. This indicates that the engine control module, ECM, has detected an abnormally high voltage signal, typically exceeding 4.5 volts, from the throttle position sensor, TPS, for more than 2 seconds. What causes DTC P0123? Several factors can trigger this code. Faulty throttle position sensor, TPS. The sensor may be malfunctioning and sending incorrect voltage signals. Wiring issues, damaged, corroded, or shorted wires and connectors in the TPS circuit can disrupt signal transmission. Dirty throttle body. Accumulated carbon deposits can affect the TPS readings. Faulty accelerator pedal position, AP sensor. In vehicles with electronic throttle control, a malfunctioning AP sensor can cause similar issues. Powertrain control module, PCM, problems. Software glitches or hardware failures in the PCM can lead to erroneous voltage readings. Symptoms of P0123. If your vehicle has logged a P0123 code, you might experience illuminated check engine light, a common indicator of TPS issues. Rough or erratic idling. The engine may idle inconsistently. Engine stalling, unexpected stalling, especially during acceleration or deceleration. Poor acceleration. Noticeable lack of power when pressing the gas pedal. Reduced fuel efficiency. Increased fuel consumption due to improper air-fuel mixture. Limp mode activation. The vehicle may enter a safety mode to prevent further damage. How to diagnose and fix P0123. 1. Use an OBD-I scanner. Confirm the presence of the P0123 code and check for any related codes. 2. Inspect the TPS and wiring. Look for signs of damage, corrosion, or loose connections in the TPS and its wiring harness. 3. Test the TPS voltage using a multimeter. Verify that the TPS voltage readings are within the manufacturer's specified range. 4. Clean the throttle body. Remove any carbon buildup that might affect sensor readings. 5. Check the AP sensor. In vehicles with electronic throttle control, ensure the AP sensor is functioning correctly. 6. Examine the PCM. If all else checks out, consider the possibility of PCM issues and consult a professional for further diagnosis. Is it safe to drive with P0123? Driving with a P0123 code is not advisable. The erratic throttle response and potential stalling can pose safety risks, especially in traffic. It's recommended to address the issue promptly to ensure safe and reliable vehicle operation.